Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
सुखी रहे बच्चों। सबसे पहले एग्जाम के संबंध में 2 मिनट बात कर लूँ। थर्ड इंटरनल असेसमेंट टेस्ट, यह पूरी तरह से ओरल 20 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे। जिस दिन एग्जाम है उसी दिन मॉर्निंग में क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया जाएगा और इस बार अधिकतम, क्योंकि एक स्टूडेंट के साथ 30 मिनट्स टाइम लग जाता है, तो 3 दिनों में एग्जाम को कंप्लीट करना है। 3 दिनों के बाद एक भी स्टूडेंट नहीं इंटरटेन किए जाएंगे। बाकी बच्चों का नाम विद्यालय प्रबंधन के पास दे दिया जाएगा और सिलेबस मेन कोर्स बुक का और लेटर टू गॉड से लेकर के अभी हम लोग ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया करीब कर चुके हैं। 2 लेसन्स बच रहे हैं, मैडम राइट्स द बस और सरमन एट बनारस कर ही लेंगे। एग्जाम का डेट थोड़ा बढ़ेगा 2-4 दिन, वो मैं 2-4 दिनों के बाद आपको जानकारी दे दूंगा। चलो ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया को अभी कंक्लूड कर लेते हैं। उसका थर्ड पार्ट है टी फ्रॉम आसाम। उसमें कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बातें नहीं है, जितनी इंपॉर्टेंट बातें हैं आई हैव ऑलरेडी taught you the 2 legends, the 2 legendary tales about the origin of tea. One of them, which relates to one of the Chinese emperors, is a funny one, and the other one is very inspiring one. It is about a great meditator known to the world, the ancient Buddhist ascetic Bodhidharma. Since he would feel sleepy during meditation, so he went to the extent that he cut off his eyelids, and the legend has it that 10 tea plants grew out of those eyelids. Very inspiring. And the first one, which relates to one of the Chinese emperor, is a funny one. He was in the habit of drinking. He was in the habit of boiling water hard before drinking. So when he was boiling water, some of the leaves from the twig burning under the pot fell into the boiling water and added a very fine aroma, flavor, sweet aroma and flavor to that water, and it is said that the twigs fell off. So I told you that over 80 crores cups of tea are drunk every day in the world. It's written in the book. I'm acquainted with the fact that the number must have gone up, higher, but since I do not know the exact number of cups, so I will tell you only 80 crores cup of tea are drunk every day all over the world. It's the most popular drink, popular beverage. So I told you that the Chinese were acquainted with tea as far they drank tea as far back as 2700 BC. The words like chai and chini are of Chinese origin. But how do we come to know all this? The question is, I didn't tell you that day because I wished to connect you to the lesson by telling you some inspiring and some funny legendary tales. You would get connected thus. So I didn't tell you. How do we come to know all this about tea? So we come to know all this through an informal chit chat between two youngsters. We come to know all about tea through the informal chit chat between two youngsters, two students named Pranjal and Rajveer. Rajveer is from Delhi and Pranjal is from Assam. So he had been born. He was born in Assam and he had been brought up in Assam. So Pranjal invited Rajveer to come to his place to Assam during the summer vacation, and Pranjal's father worked as a manager in a tea estate. Okay, so they were on their way. They were in their train on their way to Assam. So when the train entered Assam, it was quite a new experience for Rajveer to see such vast stretches of greenery. The entire landscape was filled with tea plants. Rajveer had never seen that kind of greenery in his life ever before. So he felt enchanted. He was excited, but Pranjal did not share his excitement because he was well acquainted with the greenery of Assam because he was born in Assam and he had been brought up there only. So we come to know a lot about tea, that Chinese drank tea as far back as 2700 BC. The words like tea and the words like chai and chini are of Chinese origin. We Indians got acquainted with tea only in the mid 19th century. Okay. Credit goes to the British. They started the plantation of tea in Assam and Darjeeling. Okay, and you would be surprised to know that when tea was introduced in India, Indians were very apprehensive. They thought that they would become victim of different kinds of diseases. They did not like tea, and these days you cannot imagine life without tea. It has entered the kitchen of every Indian household. So इस लेसन से वो जो दो किंवदंती है, लीजेंडरी टेल्स हैं, उसको देख लें। और ये ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया में हम लोग ए बेकर फ्रॉम गोवा देखे, कूर्ग देखे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं। अब बच रहा है जो इस महीने का टारगेट है थर्ड टेस्ट का, मैडम राइट्स द बस, और वो आराम से हम लोग कर रहे हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि सब लोग टेस्ट के लिए जगे हुए हो और बहुत सारे बच्चे हो जिसको ठीक। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, सी यू टुमारो।